Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Could you tell me your name real quick and run down on what I was in here first?
David.
Okay.
And let's see, I got 6 Sundown ZB5s, 6 Wolfram 7500s, bunch of lithium.
Yep. How much lithium are you at right now?
I think it's
That's all good, man.
It's like 320.
Wow.
320 amp hour.
You built this?
No. At Joel Sparky.
Yes.
Built it.
Yes. Awesome. I'm sure you're doing 60s then.
62.5.
Really? Wow, congrats. Awesome. Damn. Do you know what it's tuned to? Or where you're peaking at and all of that?
I peak at 36.
Okay. That's a low peak. Wow.
Low peak, I don't know, like 28 and up normally.
28 and up? Okay.
Really haven't had a whole lot of time to test.
Yes, sir. You're good. So what are you wired to on your amps?
Half ohm.
Okay. Wow, that's a lot of power. And your teammate loud. Last year I remember I think you had a top port tunnel.
Yeah, it was 6 order.
Yeah, 6th order. Yep. So how do you like 6th versus 4th? Which one do you like more?
See, that's a tough one. I mean, it's hard to really give my opinion on it. I like 6 orders. A little bit more musical.
Yeah.
But I also have 4 subs then. I got 6 then. So I mean, it's,
Yeah, you got more.
I like the 6.
Yeah, that's it. Yes, sir. Yep. I appreciate it.
Bigger, better.
Yes, sir. Thanks for the demo, man.
Yep, not a problem.
And your name?
David.
David. Thanks, David.
Yep.
Yeah. All right.
I started this gangsta shit out.
Yeah, a lot of them.
I switched it up last night, so.
Oh, okay. Have you ever tried doing a brace, or did you ever? No? Your window don't really move much, or because that?
It flexes on the top here very little.
Okay. Nice structure there.
You kids get to bed, I get the storyboard. Y'all tucked in? Here we go. Star, just good. And people are behind me, you're too good. knocked her. Just good. And far behind me, you're too late. You time it makes ass. No folks make it bad. For the heady back with stuff. She was coming, made a she was top speed, cause I knocked her. Guess who we saw? Dave.
Oh my gosh, dude, that's way different than last year. And last year, I remember, I think you had a top port tunnel.
Yeah, it was 6
Yeah.
Just good. And far behind me, you're too good.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.